Are you nearing retirement? Did you know you may be eligible for benefits you are unaware of? The truth is that very few people, less than 4%, get all the Social Security benefits they're entitled to. That's alarming. Our team of registered Social Security Analysts will optimize your Social Security benefits by giving you all your options and educate you on the countless Social Security rules to help you decide when to collect your benefits. Determining when to claim your benefits isn't a do-it-yourself project, and you only have one shot to get it right. That's why our team of registered Social Security Analysts help people like you determine and optimize benefits by creating completely personalized Social Security plans tailored to your unique circumstances and goals for retirement. Your personalized Social Security analysis plan will include claiming strategy options, including monthly, annual, and lifetime benefit amounts for each, future earnings impacts, strategies to avoid reduced benefits, maximizing spousal and survivor benefits, benefits for children and family maximums, longevity scenarios, cost of living adjustments, pension reduction calculations, and so much more. Our process is simple. Create an account on our website, answer a few questions, and provide the necessary documentation. Once we have everything needed, we'll create your personal Social Security benefits plan. When it's complete, we'll review it together, answer any questions, and ensure you're confident in your claiming decision. To get started, click the link below to set up a call or email us directly.